Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So today we have 3 parcels to unbag and have a look at. Something a little bit different, but again, you know, I like my themes. You'll see that there's a theme running all the way through these. Okay, so I've opened the tops of them to see, quick glance to see where they were from. So without further ado, let's get started and have a look at these. Okay, so the first one is something I've not seen before, and I just thought, oh, these look interesting. So let's have a look and see what we've got. They're from the TAKEWEALTH official store, come from China, and yeah, I think you can see I've got some lovely little owls. Okay, so my other scissors are downstairs at the moment, my unicorn ones, so I'm just using some paper crafting scissors. Just get into this one. Oh, look. So it tells me that these are diamond painting notebooks. So I thought, oh, well, these look different. Let's have a look. You know, I like my special projects and I like my special drills. Nicely bubble wrapped. Okay, so, oh, wow, these look different. Let's have a look and see what we've got. I think they'll be great for me to do, but also great for children as well. So, bag of drills there. Have a look at those in a moment. So let's see what we've got in here. So these are little owls. Oh, look, and they're all different. Oh, we've got 6 of them. Okay, all different colours, all different expressions. Now that's what I would like to look like at the moment, sleeping, and that's how I feel. Okay, so it looks like we have the notebooks and then we have the stickers with your drill field on. So it looks like, oh, they're only partials. They've got a bit creased. They're going to need to be, well and truly flattened out, I think, these. So, yeah, you've got all your letters there. So you're going to put all your drills around as you normally do. And then the sticker, let's see, so how do we, has this got a coating on it? That's interesting. So the sticker comes off and goes onto your little book. So that's that one. Oh, and it's got glitter on it. Okay. So how does that, do we have to put glue on these, or has it got a, oh, I see. Oh, look. Okay, so it's only the bit that you're drilling that comes off, so the wings stay there. So let me just take this one out of the packet. Oh, I do like getting new stuff and having a play. Yeah, so the wings are all glittery. Oh, and the nice little shaped notepads, quite a few pages in them. Not very thick paper, that's just like your standard photocopy paper, I would say, but fine for doing notes if you want to put one in your handbag, or if the children want to make little notes for themselves or do little drawings. So let me see, how does, is there a cover on this? How do you get the drills on then? Oh, that's a bit worrying. Or is there a cover? Let me see. Ah, there is a cover. Okay, so a little bit tricky to get off, but yeah, so you've got a cover and it's sticky underneath for your drills. Right, okay. Oh, I like these. Let's see if we can just pop this owl on here then. Careful going round the cut bits there with the wings. We don't want to pull any off. Yep, it's fully perforated. So we're just gonna line this up there, get it well and truly lined. Oh, you've got a bit of wiggle room, it's not too sticky, so you've no wiggle room there. And then just stick that on there. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, that's really cute. So yeah, so you get your little owl. So you're going to take your top cover off. Let's see if I can get it again. Let's just see where it is. Yeah, so you just take your top cover off there, and the eyes aren't sticky, so, and then you've got little glittery wings. Oh, they're really fab. Oh, I like those. Okay, so let's have a look at them. So that's the green one. He's got green glittery wings there, has he? Oh no, he's not got glittery wings. He's just a plain one, but he does stand out. Oh no, he has got glittery wings. Looking at the wrong thing, Liz. Yeah, he's got glittery wings and he's got glittery eyes as well. Yeah, I hope you can see this from me. Yeah, you can see he's got glittery, sparkly eyes and wings. And then the blue one has got your glittery and sparkly wings there. Okay, so that's the top three. And let's have a look at the bottom three. So, oh, look at the heart. Oh, this one's pretty. I like that one. So that one's got pink glittery hearts and eyelids and wings. Okay. And then this one's just got the glittery wings. Oh, these are going to be so fun to do. Make nice little presents for people or little stocking fillers, or while we can't see people, it's quite nice just to maybe send them one of these in the post. It won't cost much, they don't weigh much. But yeah, look at those wings, all glittery there. His little beak. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, I do like these. I'll find out the price and I'll put it all in the links down below. But yeah, I think they're really, really cute. They're going to be fun to do. Let's have a look at the drills. Looks like we've just got one of our little starter basic toolkits. Okay, oh, and the drills are all in separate baggies as well, right. So yeah, you've got your wax, your boat and your pen there. Just everything you need to get started. And okay, so let's see. So that one says X there. Oh, I hope these haven't been cut off. Oh no, G there. That one's just slightly to the side, look, you can see. It's only just caught it there. And that's a G. See, we've got some nice blue ones, some pale pink. That one's, is that an L? Yeah, oh no, it's that way up, I think. Oh, I don't know. Oh no, that's... Well, I'm not quite sure what that is. That might be a 1, it looks like. It must be a 1, I think. Let's see there. And then, so the numbering and the lettering's not brilliant on these, but I think because they're only small, you can probably work out what they are. One of them's starting to rub off as well, so I'm going to have to be really careful with these. That one, goodness knows what that one is. Okay, so unfortunately that's a thumbs down for those. That's a W. That's just standard drills there. No, that's number 1. So yeah, we've got one that's, well, if you can see that, I can't. Yeah, we're a bit stuck on that. As I say, unfortunately, the lettering and the numbers on the bags aren't brilliant. Funny little bags. They're really thick plastic. So, okay, I'll have fun doing those. I'll do a little review on them once I've got them done. Trying not to touch these bags too much. My hands are quite warm. But yeah, I think I'll just pop these underneath my light pad there, just to try and flatten them out a bit. But yeah, I like those little notebooks. Pop that one back in his little bag there. Okay, so 6 little notebooks to do. They'd actually make good for if your child made them for, say, party bags or something, or to do at parties if we ever get to do children's parties again. It'd be quite a nice little project, one for each child to do and take home with them. And I'm sure we've all got plenty of spare green boats, so you could give them a few of the beads each in a little tray and plenty of pens. So yeah, impressed with that one, like that one. Okay, let me just pack that one away and we'll go on to the next. Okay, and I'm back. That took a little bit longer than I expected. For some reason, my my connections just aren't working at the moment, which isn't good. I don't know what it is about Sundays, but they just don't seem to work very well on a Sunday. So let's have a look at these. Yeah, Our internet connection is through Hull Telephones, which is like a private firm. We're one of the only private telephone companies in the country. And for whatever reason, Sundays just don't seem to be very good days for it working. I'll have to make sure I don't film on Sundays in future, particularly for unbaggings. I need to see what I'm doing. Okay, so one of these is from the TAKEWEALTH store, and the other one is from another store. I'll link all the details down below. They are both similar items, so I'm unboxing them both at the same time. Right, this one is from TAKEWEALTH. Okay, let's just get into this. Again, nicely packaged. They came in about 2 weeks, possibly less. But yeah, I was quite impressed with the shipping times. Now the Chinese New Year seems to have finished. Everything seems to be flowing really, really quickly. Okay, right, so again, as I say, you can see that there's a theme here. We've got some more owls. So this kit came with a bookmark, which you can see that I didn't realise that was another owl there. Look at that one. He's got a massive hat on it and you can't see his face. He looks like he's had all the fun at the party, all the booze, and this one just looks like, oh, for goodness sake. That's fab. Look at his face, and he's just got the party with and it actually says Happy New Year at the bottom. So I didn't realise it had writing at the bottom on this. You can't always see them when you're ordering them, but yeah, that's quite sweet. And then this is the little box that matches it. So it's like a little pencil box. Okay, we've got the kit and all the diamonds inside. Whoops. And I just thought these were a bit different. Oh, look, and we have got a tassel for the bookmark. I did think possibly not. So it's just a plain tassel. There's no silver bit or anything on the top, but it's a lovely colour. And that will just go in the top of your bookmark there. So you'll put that on the inside, that on the outside. I've probably shown you how to do things you already know how to do. Right, and then this side, oops, it's connected there, so I won't quite, oh, cheapish plastic these. They're not very thick, but I suppose that makes it lightweight if you're wanting to carry it about with you. Okay, and this one doesn't seem to want to open, and I don't want to break any more nails. Let's see if that's it, just click it there. So yeah, so you've got a little bit, you could put pencil sharpener, rubber or whatever there, or if you're using it for diamond painting, you can get your diamond painting pens in there. So yeah, you've got quite a bit of room there, quite a bit of depth. Maybe put your drills or put your wax or whatever in there. Okay, so yeah, a bit of use. Let's just do a quick measure on this. Give you the, so the overall length is 21 centimetres by, whoops, by 7 centimetres, and the big compartment, if you're wanting to measure whether your pens will go in it or not, is, oh heck, I keep putting my finger on that, I think I'll have to cut that bit there, is, oh Liz, all fingers and thumbs today, 17 centimetres, and the depth of it is just under 2 centimetres, so it's quite a nice depth there, as well, as I say, for getting things in. I'm just going to cut this piece of plastic so that I don't end up putting my fingers on that sticky and making it not sticky, although I have got my sealer, which I use if I end up with drills that aren't sticky. So yeah, that's love that one there, and then that one bottom. That's fab, and it's the same picture on the bookmark, and as you can see, the bookmark is just slightly thinner. They've just sort of widened out the picture but left it at the same length. They've just pulled him out a bit there. Just pop that back in there. So basic toolkit. So you've got your pen, your wax and your boat, and then let's have a look at the drills. These look nice and sparkly. Oh, I'm going to be giggling at that. I'm going through an owl phase at the minute. I've done the dog phase for a bit. Now I'm doing owls. Okay, oh, so we've got some special shapes there, which are just like little teardrops, very, very tiny red teardrops there. Okay, let's just open them up, put them in. And they're all nicely numbered, these, so you can match your numbers up to your canvas there. And it is just a partial, so the background isn't sticky, it is just where you've got your numbers that you're going to put your drills. So we've got like a brownie colour for your owl, a lovely pink. Oh, and a lilac, that's pretty. And a blue. And like a, oh, that's like a bluey lilac. That's brownie, no, greyy silver there. Another blue. Oh, and another blue. That's like a midnight sort of navy-ish blue, that one. And then like, it's like a plum colour, that one. Okay, so we've got quite a few. Oh, hang on, we've got a few more, just a second. I was going to say, I'm sure there's more than that. There's a green, and there's another like lilac-y purpley colour. So, here's a nice one, like that one. So I just thought I quite fancied a pencil case, and I do like doing slightly different things. Now then, this one is actually the same, but this one didn't come with a bookmark, but I just loved the image. Now let's get into this one. Oh, excuse the popping, although I do like popping bubble wrap. Anybody else like popping bubble wrap? Hope you're all doing okay. Oh, look, this one's like seaside. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's an owl at the beach, look. It's got, looks like it's got like a drink there, a pina colada. We've got a lovely sun, smiley sun at the top there, little hearts, and we've got glasses and a bow, and we've got the beach here and the sea in the background. That's a lovely little picture. And again, this is just a partial, and it's a box, so you've got your two separate compartments, the same as the other one. I'm just going to cut down that plastic there again, just so I don't put my fingers on it. That's fine. And then the drills for this one. Oh, looks like there's less drills in this one. Oh, I suppose there's only one owl rather than three. And this is a lovely pinky one. Okay. Oh, look at that little face, it's sweet. And your little toolkit there. Just a standard one again. Okay, yeah, there's only 8 colours with this one. Same size. We've got reds there, like a grey black, a very, oh, very pale pinky, washed out colour, that one. I wonder where that one will go. Maybe just for shading. And yeah, then your blacks, your oranges, and another pink. That's that. And so yeah, these are really cute. So just a little bit of fun. A bookmark, 2 little pencil cases, and then to keep me in check, all my little owl books. So it's definitely an owl theme this week. Okay, that's all I've got to show you at the moment. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed watching this and want to see more, then please like and subscribe, and you'll get notified when I'm next doing a video. So thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Bye.